Welcome. Today, question 35. Remember, very important for method of section. There is reason for it. I will tell the reason later. Last class, see, we solved one question. Compared to that question, this question, there are some changes. Or last question, one particular point or difficulty we escaped. Escaped means that difficulty was not there, but that difficulty will come today. Not a big difficulty, some extra concept. So, like question 34, last class very important, question 35 is further more important. Okay. Now, question is find axial forces. One, see question here, in members, see, DE, DG and FG. Question number 1. Second question, DE, EG and GH. Third question, EC, EH and GH. These are the 3 questions. Any number of questions you can solve. And remember, consider all 3 independent, very important, independent questions. Those who want to learn everything follow what I tell. But before that, note, complete explanation for what? For method of sections. I won't write. Complete explanation for method of sections is told in lecture number 28. I took it as introduction class. Every concept is told and then procedure is given with one question 34, lecture 29, that is last class, already over. Now something I will tell. Very soon I will finish engineering mechanics. Then I will change over to strength of materials. Before I start strength of materials, I will first one class exclusively, I will give advice and warnings. No problem. If somebody calls me arrogant, let them call. People who know me, they know how much I am interested in teaching or giving knowledge. Same thing, in detail I will tell. Unless you study everything and systematically study, earlier classes you require to study. Otherwise, if you suddenly come to a class, if not clear, I will tell, leave, don't continue my class. I will even tell there, if you have subscribed, unsubscribe, no problem. I am not bothered. I want only sincere and serious people. So, because this is education and knowledge, this is not time pass. So, now class, unless you study thoroughly 28 and 29, do not continue 1 millimeter. If anything is not clear, you are responsible only because you have not gone through earlier classes. So therefore, I will tell now, already what? One explanation over and one question over. What all told there will repeat now. Now onwards, I won't waste time for unnecessary explanation. Some places, every class, everything, they keep on telling everything, same thing. But there is nothing there. Simple. They don't take complications. Simply support beam with central point load, one eccentric point load, UDL for full span, anybody can do it. Okay. Now, class, though, unless you study thoroughly lecture 28, lecture 29, not only study, make all the necessary note. If you are preparing notes yourself only, you should not come this side. Okay, that note. One important now, see. This, now see, I will start. What I will do now is, I will tell you. We have solved so many questions on method of joints. Now to save time, I will pick questions from there to save the time. So Now, see, last time was independent question. That's why last class, in the end, I solved by method of joints as an exercise. Now, see, this question, that is what I am doing, this question means today's class question, is already solved earlier by method of joints. See, engineering mechanics class number 333, part 5, lecture 16, question 19. Same question solved. Oh, sorry. One thing forgot to give here. This total length required, I write here. AB equal to, I forgot write, no space right here, 10 meter. Okay. That is A to B length is 10 meter. Now I can't enter here. Actually, in that question, I marked 10 meter here. Here, no place given. See, given in the question. AB is 10 meter. But these are not equal. That you should be careful. Some people blindly will tell, oh, half 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. No. 30 degree, 50 degree. And so many concepts are there. Okay, now I will tell how construction is done. A to B, draw 10 meter. 30 degree, draw one line. 50 degree, draw one line. So, your ABC is not right angle triangle. In the previous class question there, maybe question number what? Maybe 16 or 17, it was right angle triangle. So, because I given 30 degrees, 60 degrees. If it is right angle triangle, some advantage for you. That I told this question, that advantage is not there. Learning time, tough questions. Okay. Then, after AB, 30 degree, draw a line, 50 degree, this point will come. Then, AC divide into 3 equal parts. Understood? See? Equal parts. Then, perpendicular, vertical, vertical, vertical. Join, join. These are the loads given. Okay. That's all. Okay. Now, see, we already solved in class, I told class number, where first we performed some trigonometric calculation. I will tell you what all. We found these lengths. See, these lengths. Also we found these heights. What is this height? What is this height? What is this height? Also we found what is this angle? What is this angle? This is 30 degrees. What is this? These are 30 degrees. If this 30, you don't take that way. What is this angle? Theta 1. What is theta 2? Or make a note. There, first we perform some trigonometric calculation, not reaction sketch. We wrote a sketch only trigonometry purpose, where we got, see, I forgot to write names here, A, B, C, D, E, C, D, E, this is F, correct? F, okay. F, G, H, okay, now correct. Where we marked all the points and then first we got distance from here to here. Then dividing into 3 parts, we got this one. From 10 we subtracted, we got this one. Before that, we got this height. Then this angle is this side by this side. It came 30 degree only. This angle is this side by this side, tan inverse. Okay. This angle 50 degrees. See, we already got what is this height. Why you require that height? For finding reaction. See, this all I told there. What all we require. This all. So, then right here. For in the sketch, see, first we perform trigonometric calculations in a separate sketch. In a separate sketch. In a separate sketch. And then found support reactions. In the sketch for finding support reactions, we entered all those required distances. See, this distance, this height or height, this height, these cut distances. We entered all distances. That is, this is the sketch written there for reaction calculations. Okay. Now, make a note. If you are very serious in learning, once again write it. Don't refer that question. Okay, open that question. Go there and open it. But for this question, You write everything to make perfect so that later you don't have to refer old question. See, I will always tell sometimes, like in moment distribution method, slope deflection method, Carney's method, everywhere fixed end moments are required. Usually I do first slope deflection method. I find fixed end moments. When I go to moment distribution method or Carney's method, I will tell already over earlier, go back, correctly write it once again here. Don't write in the answer booklet, refer SD method. No. When you do a method, everything should be there. Maybe little more work for you. Once in a lifetime. This preparation if you make, it is once in a lifetime. Okay, that's over. Now, so this sketch was written. Now make a note. In method of sections also, first you have to find support reactions. Before that, that separate sketch required for trigonometric calculation, do it, referring that class, then prepare the sketch, even for method of sections. Then happily find support reaction. I won't waste time. How support reacts? See, VA, VB, HB, support reaction. See, I wrote, we got, or rather, see, all red color values here, see, all red color values here are calculated values. Remember, all the red color are calculated value in that separate sketch. Okay, then we got. Very sorry, I should tell I got. You did not get it. Very few, I know, that seriousness people are not getting. I have seen. I can see how much time they watch the class. Average view duration. If I upload a class of 2 hours class or 1 hour, 2 hour class, average view duration is half 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 1 hour class, 1.5 minutes. Of course, one thing is possible. I agree. To save the data, see, if Wi-Fi is not there, what people do is they download. If you download, you can watch any number of times without using any data. Okay, agreed. If that is the reason, okay, done. But if you are just opening the class, seeing some 1 or 2 minutes and leaving, then you are not fit to be called my student, or you are not eligible to be called a person learning from me. You already are an expert. Enjoy. You learn yourself only. So we got this reaction. Okay, then make a note. This all you write. After we got this reaction, we prepared a star sketch where all the reactions and angles are entered. Then we started from a joint. See, we found forces in all members. Where is it? Where we force? Class 33, where I wrote it here. Earlier method of joint, see. Where we found, not we found, I found. Why should I put we? Okay, I am including you also. Hum are happy. Where we found axial forces in all members. See, method of joint we find in all members. Where we found axial force in all members. Okay, now that you can see, then we entered the values, finally question closed. Now, class, if you go and see that star sketch after all the axial forces are entered, you can see there axial force in DE is 197.520 compression, axial force in DG 54.226 kilonewton compression, axial force in FG, you can see there 228.019 kilonewton tension, axial force in EG 62.113 kilonewton tension, axial force in GH 181.058 kilonewton. Tension, axial force in EC, 94.566 kilonewton. Compression and axial force in which one? EH. See this one, EH. 113.285. These are required for today. See today's class here, all these numbers are, some of them. See, AD force is not required for, These we got. Make a note. Now, class. That was the answer we got in method of joint. Refer it. Now, let us see whether we get same result or not. See, they want D, E, D, G, F, G. I wrote the answer there. D, E, E, G, G, H. Separate question. See, of course, D comes once again. When you solve that question, when you solve this question, do not see that question. That is D, E, D, G, F, G, one group. D, E, E, G, G, H, one more group. Some will tell, already over, sir. Already not over. If you are doing second question, first question is not there. That way. Then one more group, E, C, E, H, G, H. See, values are there. Now, let us see whether we get same result or not. Question mark. I will give answer. If yes, we will tell perfect. So much calculation and concepts are there. Exactly. See, 197.520. You don't tell me, sir, you are getting 197.518, 519, 520, 521, 522. That is because of the approximations. That we can't do anything. That is approximation. But not 196. No. Not 197.8. Some places instead of 197.5, if they get 197.8, they will tell okay, but my class not okay. Later, when I go to SD and MD method, imagine one moment, MAB. SD answer minus 11.818. SD method. MD method, I will get minus 11.817 or 11.817 or minus 11.818 or minus 11.819 or worst come worst, minus 11.816 minus 11.820. That's all the error limit for my class. Some will tell, someone told, how such an accuracy you are getting? They will tell, no, in the MD method, if I get 18.58, SD method, MD method I am getting 18.14. I will tell them, no. 18.58 means 56, 57, 58, 59. Not 18.14. No, not in my class. I will always tell, not in my class, nothing doing. So let us see. So if yes, we will celebrate. Lastly, I will tell this way, yes. If no, offline class, I will ask students. If no, tell. Students will tell, sir, impossible. Why? No. By chance not getting. Impossible, sir, they will tell. Sir, your class, it is impossible. Then I will ask once again, by chance, if no, still tell me. Somebody who is a bright student will tell, sir, then the only possibility is when you solve by method of joints, maybe some calculation mistake. If that mistake is corrected, then answer there, answer here will be 100% matching. I will tell yes. That is what called spirit. See, human being, possible, maybe some calculation mistake. In that case, I will do one thing. If it happens today, I will again go back to that class and correct the mistake and upload one extra class for that one. I will tell. I won't apologize because I will apologize or tell sorry if it is a technical mistake. Calculation mistake, human being, human nature. Okay, done. So then I will tell. So if yes, we will celebrate. If no, we will go and check what is the calculation mistake there. If there is no mistake there, perfectly correct, still answer not tallying, then again student will tell, sir, impossible. I will tell. Then from tomorrow onwards, there is no class. I am going to stop my teaching. I will tell that way. I will quit teaching. I will tell them, see, new batches, are you worried? Are you agreeing? They will tell, okay, sir, no problem. They are 100% sure that it will never happen. Okay, now, this full over, what I will do is, see, I will remove this question now. Okay, see, I made a note here to forget DE, DG, FG. Second question, DE, EG, GH, EC, EH, GH. I made a note here. This is for my note. So yesterday, see, last class, space problem was there. Below the sketch, I wrote small sketch. No, today, see, full space is there. This I am not removing. This I am not removing. See, I tell you, this I will remove. This, why should I have MDSD method here? I will tell which I am not removing. See, this height. See. This side I am not removing. I have got a full question space here. Question not required. I made a note. Now I will start. As usual, since already everything is explained, already question over, this time I will write and explain. Only purpose is what? To save the time. I can write in front of you only. See, offline class all, I write in front of them only. But here, a class will become too messy. Again, I mark the point here. See, I have to put the sketch here. For that purpose, to save the time, I will write here and then explain. Okay. Wait. Not wait. I will approve. Okay. Now, we will start the first question. Independent question. Calculation of axial forces in members DE, DG, see, DG and FG. That is, see, not visible. Okay. I put a small dot here. See, this member, and this member. Okay. By method of sections. Now I will not explain much already unless you go through that previous two classes, study and come back. You better not continue. Okay. Now, statement. Consider, see, procedure all given for you. I told simultaneously procedure. When I told procedure, I came somewhere here. See, procedure you write. Okay. Consider section XX, cutting above 3 members. These 3 members you cut. What you do is, the section you show in the sketch used for what? Support reaction calculation. Same sketch. Don't put stars. See in here, star sketch is this sketch. Okay, start. Cut these 3. How easiest to cut? Now decide. See, you will cut here. These 3. Decide. See, now you should write something. Cutting above 3 members. Then class. Okay, then something told in the class. Class. What? You decide by cutting here, is looking left side is better or right side is better. You have to consider equilibrium to any one side, either left or right, your choice. See here, if I cut and look this side, oh simple, you get only this much. If I cut and look that side, you can see so much bigger. So it is better to look left side. So I am looking left of XX. If you are cutting to left of XX, show the cut nearer to left end. See, don't cut here. See, don't cut here now. See? Hey, theta 1, you are disturbing me. Okay, okay. This is theta 1. 1 minute. Theta 1, okay. Cut here. XX. Cut XX. Then make a note using pencil write. We are looking left side. Actually laughing, someone will tell, what is this one? To understand. It's a crude method. We are cutting here and looking left side. Okay. So cut here. Now, write a sketch. See, joint A, joint F, joint D will come. Big sketch I written. A, F, D. At A, vertical reaction. At D, downward force and left side force. See, written here. Then, at F, downward 20. Then, when you cut here, see, this member goes here, this member goes here. Write only up to here. See, only up to XX. Then, from these are, see, I will tell you one thing. People who tell these are all external, see, 20, this reaction, 10 and 40, they will tell it is external, whereas they will tell axial forces. Some people don't call axial force, they tell simply force. Okay, axial force in members are internal. No, it is not internal. When you cut here, left side you write all the external. Right side you mark the external coming from that side. See, when you take equilibrium, when you cut here, one side as it is, other side, what all will come because you remove this side. See, since you remove this side, the net of this one, what effect it will have on this member. So, this way. So, I already told you to avoid confusion. See, direction I can decide, but 90% people cannot decide. So, this time I am going for easy method. Assume the forces going away, away, away. See here, away, away and away. That when the force is going away from a joint, if you change it over to axial force, it will become tension. So, we are taking tension positive. Remember, if it is axial force, here this is not tension, this is simply a force going away. Later, when you consider the member, you put that going away force here and their force, then together it will become axial force. These all I will upload in the YouTube. Eye opener. I will tell, open your eyes and learn correct things. Okay. This all I told you in previous 2 lectures. Okay, over. See, inclined member, mark the angle. For this one, 30 degrees. Why? If this is 30 degrees, this, see, this member makes 30 with horizontal. See, I told theta 130. Here also with horizontal, it will make 30. Okay. Now sketch is ready. This all I told. We are considering a coplanar force system. There are 3 equilibrium conditions. So, the section considered should not cut more than 3 members in which axial forces are unknown. Some special case gate question is there where 4 allowed, that I will tell you later. Under normal conditions, not more than 3. Okay. Now see. Now 1, 2, red color is unknown. 3 unknowns are there. Always, I told last time, first apply sigma m equal to 0. Follow it by sigma v0 and then sigma h0. See? So sigma m0 means doubt comes. Moment about which point? See here. Observe here. 3 unknowns are there. See, among the 3 unknowns, at which point 2 unknowns are meeting. Oh, sir, D. Yes. See, these 2 are meeting here. take moment about that point, that is D. See, D. Why D? I told in the class now. So that if you take moment about D, moment of PDE, moment of PDG, both will become 0. Okay, start. PFG into this height, see, 1.2964. I entered here. Mark it. That is anti-clockwise here, about this point, anti-clockwise. Then 40 into 0, 20 also into 0. See, one more force is pending there. 10 and 40 into 0, then 20 also is passing to that point, 0. Even 10 also 0. See, when you take moment about this point, see here, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0, even this also into 0. Only one is 131.647 into 2.2455 clockwise plus equal to 0. Your PDG will come plus 228.026 kilometer. Okay. Now, sigma V0, upward positive. See, now onwards, pencil mark is not there. See, unknown first, plus PDE sin 30, see, for this line 30 degrees, plus PDE sin 30 minus PDG sin 30 minus 20 minus 40 plus 131.647 equal to 0. Both unknowns you cannot solve. Equation number 1. Sigma h equal to 0 plus PDE cos 30 plus PDG cos 30 minus 10 and then one more plus PFG minus 10 equal to 0. But note, PFG is already known. Where PFG comes, substitute whatever you got here, plus 228 point. If you got negative, substitute negative here, equal to 0, equation number 2. So PFG is not an unknown, it is a known value. Unknowns are PDE and PDG. This one, simultaneous equation will come helpless. Solve it. Solving 1 and 2, you will get PDE and PDG will come. Answer I wrote here. How to solve? You can use directly calculator. Maybe in YouTube, one class I will upload how to solve simultaneous equation either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 without simplifying using calculator. Or do one thing, you simplify and form the equation. Hi, now it has come to high school mathematics. Okay, you get the answer. Now, no, this is not that. This is something else. That is something else. Okay, sir. Now, lastly, come back and put the answer. See, therefore, see, make a note. When we consider the force from a joint acting away or going outside, see, with respect to the joint, if the force is considered to be acting outward or going away or outgoing, that it will create what? Tensile axial force. Axial force is tensile. And if the force is incoming, hitting the joint, it is compression. Now I will not tell it. It is told thousands of times earlier. So, PDE we got minus. Minus means it is not tension, it is compression. Some people, I told last time, if they listen to it, they will feel bad. Actually, I saw in YouTube one class, I don't want to tell whom, excellent class. I told I never get jealous. I am happy. Very beautiful way he narrates. His voice is much better than my voice. His voice is our nature. We cannot change our voice. My voice is like this, but actually it is not voice. It is the control and your explaining way, explaining capacity, convincing capacity, and making you understand is more important. Beautiful voice is of course added attraction, I agree. Added attraction, voice is beautiful, but finally what counts? Somebody comes with a full dress, knows nothing. What is the use? Somebody randomly comes, like me. I always go randomly. But I explain thoroughly. People like it. So, if that person, yesterday I told, today once again I will tell, he will write PDE, see, plus, see, what he will write is plus compression, plus tension minus bracket compression minus bracket compression. No, it is mathematical blunder. You should not write minus 197.524 compression. You should write, see, minus 197.524 is tension only, but tension with a negative sign. You should write, therefore, you can do, instead of that way, he should write this way, see. That is no sign, 197.524 compression. That is the correct procedure. Okay? I hope he will not feel bad. If he sees, if at all he will go to his class. See, in YouTube, people, so many people will see plenty of my classes. They will wondering, who is this person? Non-stop uploading classes. Okay, let me see this class. Then if they made a mistake, they will realize. So don't feel bad. Purpose is not to insult or this one. Purpose is you bring you up to the correct level or correct knowledge. Okay, leave it now. Now I won't tell. So, force in where? Which one they want? See, D, in the order, DE is negative came. So, no minus sign now. 197.524 compression. Because why? Whenever positive came, you write without sign tension. Whenever negative comes, without sign compression. Okay. Force in DG, compression of 54.231. Force in FG, tension of 228.026. I won't write that. Over. Now, go there. FG, 228.026, 228.019 is not 2.007 difference. That is because of this approximation. See, this height approximation, etc. Nobody can do anything. Yes. Right here. Yes. Result perfectly matching with what we got by method of joint. Then force in DG, 54.231 compression. Oh, 231, 226. 226 means 0.005. I leave it. Perfect. 228.026. 220. This already over. One more is which one? Sorry, 197.524. 197.520. Perfect. Everything is perfectly tallying. Therefore, no question of discontinuing teaching. Okay. This is perfectly over. Now do one thing. Only once I will tell. Next time I won't tell this one. Or if you want to further impress them, see, this is last time I am telling. Remember now, I am telling last time. There's a limit for everything. If you want to further impress them, see, these three members, see, show a small cut. Okay. This member is there. Then one more member is there here. Okay. This is D. This is E. This is D. This is G. This is F. See, E. Frame continues there. See, then one member continues there from E. No problem. That you don't require. G. From G it continues there. Then here, it continues here, okay. These three members cut, see, cut. This is not method of section. Two things I'll explain, two. At the joint D, see, from the joint D, we took the force DE going away from the joint. DE came negative. Oh, it is not going away, it is coming to the joint. Opposite here. Now no minus sign. 197.524 kilonewton. Force in this member from D to G, you took going away. Negative came. Oh, not going away, coming towards the joint. How much? 54.231. 231 kilonewton. Force at F, we took going away from the joint. Oh, I rubbed it. We got positive, correct. Going away, opposite here. How much? Answer is 228 point, correct, DG. Yes, which one is FG? 228. 228.019 kilonewton. You can write here. Therefore, if you want axial forces in the three considered members, that is DE, then DG and FG, are as shown in figure. You write here. But actually, one more thing I will tell. Next time I won't do it. Cut only those members. One more thing. You need not bother. See, we consider going away, negative came, nothing required. See the final result here. DE compression means force should come and hit the joint. DG compression should come and hit the joint. FG tension should go away from the joint. That's all. Now onwards, this cut sketch all I am not writing. This is just to impress them. People will tell, oh, what a beautiful way of solving and presentation. They'll really be happy. They'll tell, yes. If there is some calculation mistake is there, suppose a 20 marks question, he should decide. I have no heart to cut the marks. Because of course, no doubt, he may tell, some values are wrong. Maybe you make a mistake. Still, or suppose everything is correct, he will give full 20, and when you value some other question, he will keep in mind, this person is dedicated person, so I should excuse him for some small mistake. I should give marks liberally, so that he is a serious and dedicated person. So it will create, or suppose some answer is not tallying. Still, this way all if you write, present the answer, he will tell, beautiful. But some mistake, 20 marks. If an ordinary person, if you do this way, he may give out of 20, everything, reaction correct, but mistakes are there. He may give 10 marks, but this person will get 16, 17 marks. Because inside the heart, he will have a soft feeling. Okay, next time, this I am not doing. Next time onwards. Okay, this is the last time I am doing in the class. This is sufficient. This presentation is sufficient. Okay, now I will go to question number 2. Independent question. Calculation of axial forces in member. Where is it? DE, EG and GH. Someone will tell, sir, DE we already know. No. If you are doing second question, first question is not there. Imagine, because now, see here. You should not do this way. You should draw the sketch once again. Now they want DE and then EG, oh, this one, see, this one, and GH. These three members they want. So, second question. Okay, start. Consider section XS cutting above 3 members. Okay, then class, decide which side is better. This cut. No, not that, this cut. This way cut. Left also okay, right also okay. Left also okay, right also okay. See, that feeling will come. Anything is okay. Okay, we will take left side. Let us consider equilibrium frame to left of XX. Okay, now decided left. See here. Show a cut here. How? If you are cutting these three, if you are going for equilibrium this side, left side, your cut better be near to that XX. See? Near to left side. This side. G, come this side. You are disturbing me on visual. This is theta 1. This is G. Okay, now see. Okay, see here. XX. Now remember, we are looking once again left side. There's a reason for looking left side. If you look right side, there is an advantage is there. No, if you look left side, there is one small trouble is there. I want that trouble to understand. Okay, we will look left side. See, next is EC, EH, EC, EH and GH. This cut. At that time, we will look right side. Okay. Then I will give one more for you, bonus. These three also I will do today. I will do these three also. Then also, we will look right side, bonus, extra. Okay, now we will look left side. Now once again, as usual, I will write a left side. Otherwise, lot of time is lost. Because neatly I will write. Okay. Now start second question. Calculation of axial force in member DE, EG and GH. Oh, I already told it. Oh, sorry. I already explained. Okay. Now cut here. See, look this side. A, F, G and D will be there. A, F, D and D will be there. Then, see here. From that side effect, force for DE outwards. Here G, force for GE outwards. From the section take outwards. And force for GH outwards. How many times I have to explain all this? Okay. This height required, these two length required, every force are entered here. Okay, now consider equilibrium to left side. See now. Now class. Take moment about which point? G. See, I will tell you Y moment about G. See, Y moment about G I will tell. YG. See here. 3 unknowns are there. Of the 3 unknowns, see, 2 unknowns are meeting at G. So if you take moment about G, this force and this force, including 35, all will be 0. So advantage, you will get PDE. Okay, start. Take moment about DE. Clockwise positive. See here. PDE into, oh, there is a problem here. See, PDE is an inclined, see, what all I explain, write it. Oh, when you take moment about G, PDE is an inclined force. So, moment of a force is vertical force into horizontal distance, horizontal force into vertical distance, inclined force means perpendicular distance. So, from G, we want a perpendicular to this one. So, from G, what you do is draw perpendicular. See, light line. Okay, somewhat black color I will write, or green color. Okay, somewhat green color. See, draw perpendicular. This is perpendicular H. So, right here, we are taking moment about G. Finger should be at G. From G, you draw perpendicular H to line of action of DE. See here, to line of action of DE. Oh, print mistake. Line of action of PDE. Okay, PDE. YG I already told. Okay, now what you require is, okay, take moment now. See here, PDE into H clockwise. Now easier. These two into 0, 35 into 0, 40 into 2.2455 anti-clockwise, 10 into this height anti-clockwise. This reaction into this total length is 2.2455 plus 2.2455 is 4.491 clockwise, minus 20 into 2.2455 equal to 0. Still, you write here, still you cannot get the value of PDE. See, this is PDE. Because, right here, H is the unknown. So, get the value of H. To get the value of H, see, let the perpendicular meet here. This is D point at a point called D dash, extended point. At a point AG D dash, okay, AG D dash, green point, D dash. See, now let the perpendicular meet here, D dash. Now consider, see, right angle triangle, see here, AG D dash, high school level or PUC level, AG D dash. This is perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse. See, when perpendicular is here, AG will become hypotenuse. For 30 degrees, H is the opposite side. Sin 30 equal to H divided by this full length is, you know it, 4.491, sum of these two. Substitute, you get the value of H. Why H came same as this distance? There is a reason. You don't bother. You calculate H value. So that H will come. Okay. That H will come. Oh, green color H. Okay, H, green color. H. Okay. H. Here also H, green color. Perpendicular H. Okay, to understand green color. H. H will come. Now, substitute that H here. See, you get the value of, now you simplify. PDE will come minus 197.520 kilonewton. Write neatly about this one. Now do one thing. Or, see, make a note. I am not telling second time. Whenever the force is vertical about a point, first of all, I am telling, I don't know how many times, when you take moment about a point, vertical force into horizontal distance, horizontal force into vertical distance from that point. Inclined force means perpendicular distance. So here inclined force, so we found perpendicular from trigonometry. Not a big issue, very small. Now I will not tell once again. Suppose, you write here, somebody got confusion. Sir, this problem, sir, kind thing. There is a solution is there. What you do is, see, this PD is acting like this, see, line of action. Any point which you know, which lies in its line of action, okay, either D or A, anything, D will do. Any point which lies in its line of action, you resolve this one into components. So do one thing. See, if you are doing H, this is not required. You write one more sketch there. See, here I will do anything. Little space here. See, this has got horizontal component here and vertical component here. See, this way. Remember, this is cos, this is sine. Now do one thing. Now you remove this force. Don't remove it. Instead of this force, you take these two components. Then, see, then what will happen? See, then when you make, see, I let here, or, okay, when you make sigma m about which point? G equal to 0, clockwise positive, see here. This horizontal component into height, vertical height, 1.2964. So it is PDE plus clockwise, PDE into cos of 30, see, the angle is 30 degrees here, see, this, see once again, see correct, clear, this is cos, this is sine, see here comment, this is this way, clockwise, this PDE cos 30 into this height is 1.6, then again plus clockwise, again plus, PDE into sine 30 into this, see, about this point, vertical component into this distance, 2.2455 into 2.2455 and then 2.2455. Okay, then remaining same, what, minus 40 into etc. All remaining I wrote once again, you will get PDE. Now, because of this approximation, answer came minus 197.524. There it came minus 197.520. Okay, both are same. Okay, this way do it. Okay, this is over. Now, what I prefer is always perpendicular edge. So, for some more questions, whenever this incline comes for moment, another 3 or 4 questions, I will give both the option for you. Then I will continue with what option I want. If you do not want that perpendicular option, if you want resolution option, you can do it. See, you can resolve anywhere in this line, but resolve at a known point. See, you can resolve at A also. You can push this force to 1000 kilometers and resolve there also. No problem. Okay. Now, next. Now over. Sigma V0, see I continued here, sigma V0, upward positive, see here, unknown first, plus PGE plus PDE sin 30 minus this force, minus this force, minus this force, plus this force equal to 0. Substitute PDE, whatever you got here, you will get PGE. See, we will get, where is it? Here, we will get PGE. Okay, answer came there. Sigma h equal to 0, right side positive, see here, plus PGH, this is not there, plus PGH, plus PDE cos 30, minus 10 equal to 0, substitute PDE, whatever you got here, you will get the value of PGH. Answer came. Now, last step, okay. Therefore, write the answer here, axial force, red color, final answer. Axial force in DE. Where is DE? Here, see. Now I will not waste my time. When you consider the unknown force acting away from the joint, we are assuming that force, axial force for the member, as tensile in nature. So wherever you, if you stick to my procedure means what? If you consider the force acting away from the joint, wherever plus comes, write without sign, compression. Wherever minus comes, don't write tension there. No mathematical blunder. If you get negative in the final answer, without sign, write the answer as tensile. Therefore, axial force in DE is 197.520 kilonewton compression, see, yes, minus came. Axial force in EG, where is EG? EG, IG. Where is EG? EG is G. Okay, see, GE or EG both are same. Okay, is 62.113 kilonewton. What sign came there? Plus came. Tension, no minus sign now. And force in GH, here, plus came 181.057 kilonewton tension. That presentation in a presentation to impress them, you do it. You show these 3 members and in a small cut sketch, show the forces. Okay. Now, time has come to decide whether my class will continue or not. Axial force in D, 197.520 compression. Oh, what is this? See here. What beautiful tallying. Axial force in EG, 62.113 tension. Too much. See here. Force in GH, 181.057 tension. Not 57 here, not 58. Yes. Perfectly tally. Okay, now, last part of this question, 3. Calculation of axial forces in EC, EH and GH by method of sections. Consider section XX cutting above 3 members. See, if you want to learn the subject thoroughly, this question, this sketch, you have to once again write. Don't use the previous sketch. Some will tell us how many times. Write it. This is where you learn. Okay, now we want in EC, then EH here, EH and GH. This one, these 3. Oh, therefore cut like this. I think now better look right side. Since you are looking right side, theta 2, come this side, you are disturbing me. Theta 2, okay. Since you are cutting right side, see, this way, XX. Now remember, we will look right side. To consider the equilibrium to right of XX. Right of XX. Why right? I told easy for you. Okay. Now, as usual, I will write and do this. Okay. Now, third question. I already told about this one. What we are cutting here, looking left side. See, B, I forgot to write H here. This is H, that is C, 30, 50. This reaction, this C, HB, we took right side, negative sign came, so left side. Okay. Force from here, see, this force, CE, this is HE, this is HG. See, this, for this member, this force, angle with horizontal is 30 degrees, whereas for this force, space is not there. For this force, angle with horizontal is theta 2 is 49.107 degrees. Okay. Now, take moment about H. Why H? See, this now you know it. 1 unknown, 2 unknown, 3 unknown. Among the 3 unknowns, see, 2 unknowns are passing through H. So take moment about H. Okay. When you take moment about H, see here. Oh, these 2 forces into 0, even 45 also 0, later 50 also 0. But this PC is inclined force into perpendicular distance. So therefore, drop perpendicular H. This is a small h. See, perpendicular H from the point H to line of action of PCE. From here, perpendicular. Oh, problem. So do one thing. You tell PCE, hey PCE, you please come little this side. You are disturbing me. See, you are disturbing me. Can you please move this side? Okay. Here. Okay, no problem. See, any length. PCE. Okay, thank you. Tell thank you for moving. Then, see, from we want moment about which point? Moment about H we want. So from here, drop perpendicular. Perpendicular H. Now consider this triangle. See, this point, let it be C dash. Now consider the triangle, which one? Triangle CHC dash. See, this is perpendicular. This is 90. This is what? This is hypotenuse. That is 3.8 3.8893. We want any angle. See, write this angle. Be careful. This is 30 means this is 60 degrees. Be careful because with vertical 60 degrees. So now sine 60 equal to h divided by hypotenuse of 3.8893. You will get the value of h. Okay, this is for those who can understand. Okay, now do one thing. Finish. Take moment about h. Minus PCE into h plus 30 into 3.8893 minus 133.353 into this distance. 5 into 0 equal to 0. You calculate h. Substitute h. You will get PCE minus 94.566 kilometer. Now do one thing. How much is distance? 3.2635. Okay, 1 minute. Space problem is there. I'll put here now. This is 3.2635 meter. Okay. Now do one thing. Or right here. Or those people who find confusion about all these, what you do is see. No. Those people who feel confusion, this force is acting here. A known point in the line of action. See, light line here. This force you resolve into horizontal component here and vertical component here. See, this is cos, this is sine. That is resolution of this force. Then if you take moment about this point here, then when you take moment of, see, actually some will tell, sir, this is better. Your choice. Okay, your choice. When you take sigma m about h equal to sigma m about h equal to 0, clockwise positive. See, here. This horizontal component, PCE cos 30, that is anti-clockwise, minus PCE cos 30 into horizontal component vertical distance is 3.8893, whereas the vertical component, see, it will pass through the point h. Make a note. Horizontal component will give anti-clockwise moment. Vertical component will pass through the point h. No moment, 0. Then plus 30 into 3.8893 minus 133.353 into 3.2635 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PCE. Calculator. See. Minus 94.566 kilonewton or maybe 565, 567, no problem. Okay. Oh, right here. Oh, same answer. Some will tell cheating. No, I am teaching. I am not doing cheating. This is my confidence. Okay, now simple. I should not explain. See, space is not there. I continue here. Sigma V0 upward positive. See here now. Now this is now minus the unknown first. This unknown plus PHE sine of 49.107 minus PCE sine 30 minus 50 minus 45 plus this reaction equal to 0. Substitute PCE. I wrote here. See, substitute PCE. Whatever you get, we get PHE. Okay. Sigma H0 minus PHG minus PHE cos of this angle minus PCE cos 30 plus 30 minus 5 equal to 0. Substitute for those two unknowns already, those two known values as it is, you get PHG. Okay. Once everything is over, lastly, come here. Therefore, axial force in EC or CE both are same. Oh, negative came. Negative means what? Negative sign came. Minus 94. So don't put time minus now. 94, see, writing minus sign and writing compression is mathematical blunder. 94.566 kilonewton. What? Negative came. Compression. Force in EH. Where is EH? Hey, EH, come here. EH or HE? 113.285 kilonewton. What came? Negative came. Compression. GH plus came. 181.058 kilonewton. Tension. EC 94.566 compression. Oh, yes. EH 113.285 compression. Where is it? 113 point. Oh, here. Beautiful. GH 181.058. Oh, yes, here. Remember, I am not writing answer, seeing that answer. When I solved here, I never bothered about that. See, did you see me looking there? I never looked this side. I know this will come. Okay, over. Question is completely over. Now I will do one thing now. See. Just for, see, question is over. Now, one thing I will do. Everything over. This member over. I will do one thing now. I will do, actually not required, you can do it only. This cut I have to make. I have to make this cut. Okay, do one thing. That cut you only do it. I thought I will do it now. After explaining so much, see correctly now, I will tell here, see. Just for a thorough understanding, find for, see, this member, and this member. Look right side. So cut here, see. Cut here. I will tell here now, see, cut here. Then I should not do this way. This outgoing here. This is not there. This sketch is not there. See, this outgoing, this also outgoing. PC, oh, forgot the point only. PCE. PCE. This is PCOH. PCH. Okay. PCH, this is PBH. Okay. You write neatly. Take moment about this point. Why? 3, 2. See here. Minus, see here. Plus, not minus. Minus PBH into 3.8893 minus this reaction VB. How much VB? You have to enter, sorry, you should not write VB. Enter the VB and remember HB you have to take how? How is HB answer? HB is left, HA. Oh, by mistake I wrote HA here. It's a misprint actually, HB. Okay. HB, take left side of 5 kilonewton. Okay, now see. Because my negative came. Plus PBH into 3.8893 minus VB. Where is VB? 133.353 into 3.2635 plus 5 into 3.8893. That's all equal to 0. You will get PBH divided by 3.8893. 116.896. You check by method of joint. I have not written answer here. Then sigma V0, you get sigma V0, sigma H0, you get these two. Check the answer by whatever is the result in method of joint. Because by our class, we did not want it. Okay, sufficient. Now, one thing I will tell. Small point. See, I am using whiteboard marker, ordinary board. So many times some rough scratching will be there. Some people don't like it. No, I cannot every time see clean like this, etc. Does not matter. Second, I am using mobile camera. I don't have a camera. No. Right now, difficult for me. Ultra, very high quality cameras are there where beautiful print will come. And if you go to digital board, the very beautiful display, but that all will take some time. Maybe after strength of materials halfway through, I may go for that one. Depending on, I already long back told how much support I am getting. I requested earlier. See, in the beginning of the course I requested, people can support my channel. How? I told there. You know it how. So, if I get a good support, I'll go for, this I will announce little later. When I start strength of materials, I'll announce it once again. One full class I'll announce it. I will tell all my problems. See, I am there for teaching. Then digital board and good quality camera means, and a mic. See, this is an ordinary mic, Boya mic, costing 700 rupees. There are mics available, which some of them cost up to 20, 30, 40,000 rupees, where sound absorbing capacity. Even if somebody is shouting there, you can't hear. So that all, slowly it will come. See, engineering mechanics, okay. So do not bother about the scratches all. See, that all helpless. Within the limited resources, I am going to conduct. But remember, resources are limited. Knowledge is not limited. Very sorry to tell, don't feel I am arrogant. Knowledge is unlimited. Sorry, I should not tell. If I tell that way, someone will tell he is praising himself only. I am not praising myself. I am telling about myself. Resources are limited. Knowledge is 100% unlimited. You will be knowing it when I go to strength of materials and structures analysis, and later RCC steel, prestressed concrete, finite element method, matrix method all. There you will see what is real KSN is. After all, engineering mechanics, nothing. It is nothing. My real capacity or real what is me, KSN, you will be knowing when I take strength of materials, structural analysis, RCC, steel, prestressed concrete, or finite element, or what, matrix method, or any other subject, applied subject. Engineering mechanics is equally important. For me, it is this nothing, means I am not insulting it. This is nothing, engineering mechanics. Okay. Now, go through this class. Very important concepts are there. Next class, I will continue with more examples. At least 4, 5, 6 classes more, or 7, 8 classes more will be only method of sections. Then marathon exercises, okay, where both method of section and method of joint will come. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll meet.